Imagine building your own complete online library management system from scratch, even if you've never written a single line of Laravel before. Welcome to the Laravel Online Library Management System from A to Z, a complete hands-on course designed for beginners and aspiring developers who want to master Laravel by building something real and dynamic. In this course, you will learn how to build a powerful full-stack web application step by step using the latest Laravel version. You will start from the basics and gradually move to advanced concepts with detailed explanation every step of the way. In this course, you will learn how to add professional frontend and backend themes, implement full Laravel authentication, and use JavaScript to make the application more interactive, including SweetAlert pop-ups and Toastr notification for a smoother user experience. You will understand not just what to do, but why as I explain the thought process behind every action, helping you build confidence as a real Laravel developer. And by the end of this course, you will have a complete professional online library management system ready to impress clients, employers, or even use as your own university project. And trust me when I say no prior experience needed, just your passion to learn and create. So do not wait anymore. Enroll now and start building your future with Laravel. See you in the course.